Today is episode 16, Gaining Confidence. Look at how much has already been completed. When the framers are working, they really get a lot done. I'm also developing new shots, but I'm also perfecting my older ones. The bird's eye is perfect to show the overall progress of construction. And then I'm combining it with low flyovers and close-ups. The left side of the home was the easiest for me to film and fly because it was relatively unobstructed, and I could really get close up to the project. I was also learning about my camera settings and how many pictures and videos I could put on an SD card. At different times of the day, I would sometimes get overexposed pictures that would have to over and auto correct. As the framing was being completed, I found that the rotational points of interest could really show a lot from different heights. And because of all the flying that I was doing on the property when the workers were not present, I was able to keep the drone safely away from the workers when they were on site. I was sure making progress, and I didn't want to put any workers in any harm's way. The more I flew, the greater my skills were becoming. And as I gained that experience, my confidence began to grow. By not taking chances at the beginning, I had developed good, consistent skills that I used throughout the rest of the project. It also helped me with situational awareness and understanding the airspace. Now, the weather conditions were great for flying. It hadn't rained in a while, and the only issue that I was beginning to run into was the heat. It was a really hot summer. So kick back and look at what I did.